Hello, guys. It's me, Markerverse. And apparently, yeah, Josh, aka the official Eclipser, aka yeah, Mr. Solar Eclipse, aka your local obese cat, has made a DeviantArt, but I don't think it's real since I couldn't go to it. But anyways, we're just gonna react to some videos by this guy. Oh, and I also have something extra. So stay tuned. First of all, let's check out some shorts. Ooh, this is new. Just a second, guys. Oh, I just got my snap. Anyways, go. Don't mind whatever this is. I just made that a few days ago, and I love it.